Welcome to a new episode of Finance and Money. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to enhance your money management skills, this video is for you. So, stay tuned. In the fast-paced world we live in, managing your finances effectively is more critical than ever. The first step is budgeting. Creating a budget helps you track your income and expenses, ensuring you're not spending more than you earn. It's a simple yet powerful tool. Next, let's talk about saving. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Set up an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. It acts as a financial safety net, giving you peace of mind. Investing is another key aspect of personal finance. Consider investing in assets like stocks, bonds, or real estate to grow your wealth over time. Remember, investing is a long-term game. Debt management is crucial. Prioritize paying off high-interest debts, like credit card balances, as they can drain your finances. Planning for retirement should start early. Contribute to retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA to secure your financial future. Lastly, educate yourself. Financial literacy is your best friend. Learn about taxes, investments, and financial planning. Stay informed about economic trends that can impact your financial decisions. If you found this information valuable, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on personal finance. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's take control of our financial futures together. Thank you for tuning into Finance and Money. Remember, the key to financial success is knowledge and action. Start implementing these principles today and watch your financial future flourish. Until next time, stay financially savvy.